Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 9th. Market analysis. Market investors' concerns about the global trade war have eased, and the market risk aversion has dropped. The spot gold market quickly fell as low as $3,274.79 per ounce shortly after the opening in Asia on this trading day, and then rose back to above $3,300 per ounce. Currently, it is trading around $3,317 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations and the recent progress of the parties to geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a low shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $32.99 to $33.30, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,330 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.40 to $33.50. If the afternoon market breaks 3,299 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $32.89 to $32.79. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a low shock stage in hours and in a shock stage in 15 minutes. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1196 to 1.1233. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1233 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1270 to 1.1300. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1196 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1150 to 1.1110. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a low shock stage on the hourly chart and in a shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3211 to 1.3252. If the market breaks 1.3252 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3290 to 1.3330. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3211 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3160 to 1.3120. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a low level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6370 to 0.6410. If the market breaks 0.6410 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6480 to 0.6530. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6370 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6320 to 0.6280. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a rising mood. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 144.40 to 146.24. If the market breaks 146.24 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 146.70 to 147.20. If the afternoon market breaks 144.40 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 143.80 to 143.20. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.20.